And right now we got Miss Brenda Sowers from Woodland, Washington. She's going to go up and sing you a beautiful old memory lane song here. We hope Brenda will come over and retape for us again pretty soon. She's been sick for almost a whole year with her voice and so forth. I think she's on the mend now. We hope so, because we like Brenda, and you guys do out in TV land as well. So come up here, Miss Brenda Sowers from Woodland, Washington, and do a song simply entitled Life's Railway to Heaven.
Life is like a mountain railroad with an engineer that's brave. We must make the run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch the curves, the fields, the tunnels. Never falter, never fail. Keep your hand upon the throttle and your eyes upon the rail. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore. You will roam through many trials. You will cross the bridge of strife. See that Christ is your conductor on this lightning train of life, always mindful of obstruction. Do your duty, never fail. Keep your hand upon the throttle and your eye upon the rail. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore. As you roll across the trestle, spanning Jordan's swelling tide, you behold the Union Depot, into which your train will glide. There you meet the superintendent, God the Father, God the Son, with the hearty, joyous plaudit, weary pilgrim, welcome home. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore, in thy praise forevermore.
Brenda, you did good. Just like we told them you would. You do a good job. She does a good job.
She does do a good job, and as you said, she's been sick off and on for almost a whole year. They don't know if it's allergies or just what it is, but we're hoping to have her come over or to maybe go to her church and tape her. We want to get some new songs.